Hi, this is Linda Canase with iCrafter, and I am so excited to introduce you to our February collection of dies. This is really kind of exciting because it is introducing a new pop-up kind of card. We call it a box pop, and it's really unique. So I'm so excited to introduce that. Excited to be here as well. Thank you all for joining us, and let me go ahead and get started and share here. This is our Box Pops oval base. Now, Box Pops are something brand new that I designed, that I came up with. We call it a base because you're going to need this outer part to create all the future Box Pops. So let me show you why this is so special. So this is the Box Pop oval base extended, so fully open. You can see how it looks. Let me clear this out of the way. It's a dimensional piece that sits up, but watch this. With the simple push in the middle and a squeeze, it now folds flat to fit inside an A2 envelope, so you can mail it. And then when you just push it together and lock the little tabs on the side, you now have a dimensional piece that stands up. So this is the Box Pop oval base. It comes with these flowers and leaves, so you have all these shapes to make it. It's, again, just kind of a unique design that will be a big surprise when it comes flat and just a simple push and a hook. So, okay, so that's a Box Pop oval base, but we also came up with the unicorn. This is an add-on, so the base, you would need the Box Pop oval base to make the bottom part, but the add-on piece here, you can see, it has a unicorn, some flowers, things to decorate, words, stay magical, and stars. And you can see how that creates a unicorn, which is so cute. And with a little push, folds flat, fits inside an A2 envelope. So again, you do need to separate purchase by the Box Pop oval base, but this is a unicorn, and you can trim the unicorn at the base of the die right along here, and you could use it for other things as well. And there's stars and the phrase stay magical if you want it. So that's the unicorn add-on. The third add-on we have is the Easter theme. And again, you need the Box Pop oval base sold separately, but then you have these cute bunnies. You can see that hop along, and the Easter basket and eggs, and then it folds flat, and you have this Easter card that could be easily mailed. Push it down, and now you have the bunnies hopping along, and it's a cute little display. You can't, well, you can see the dimension from that angle, but you can see how cute they are. I love these little bunnies. They are so cute. So this is the Box Pop Easter add-on, and again, it requires the oval base. Next, I have the Easter Treat Lantern add-on. Now, these are great little designs for little treat boxes. Tea lights can go in there. Can you see that? I don't have it on right now, but they are based on, they're an add-on because we had so many people saying how much they love the Halloween treat lantern. And what this is, let me show you real quick. Okay, so the Halloween treat lantern, you get this outer shape and the bottom here, and then you have these drop-in pieces. So our add-on, you just get additional drop-in pieces. So this is now you start with this Halloween outer shell part as a base, and the add-on is these Easter designs. So you can use your die from before, and these are add-on pieces to make it much more versatile and useful. They are so cute when they're used as a lantern and hanging along, and they are just so much fun. You could stuff them with candy. What the original Halloween treat lantern gives you this outer back part that's solid, and you just drop in different windows as you want them. So that's the Halloween treat lantern. I'm sorry, that's the Easter treat lantern add-on that adds on to the Halloween treat lantern. And next, the last one for the February launch is the Hello Flower. And this is just a beautiful font phrase that says hello, but it comes with these rolled flowers and these beautifully graphic leaves. So you can use the flowers on a lot of different projects that you want, and the hello is so versatile. So it is, you can see the rolled flower here. So it is something that can be used in so many different ways. I wanted to do something that was clean and simple. So this, you could do a really quick card very easily here. So this is the Hello Flower. And that's it for our February launch. I know you'll be excited about the box pops, because there are going to be a lot of other add-ons to that design. There is the Easter treat lanterns, and then the Hello Flower. So that's our collection for February from iCrafter. Thank you so much for watching.